Submit an RMA claim on the Connect Portal. To submit an RMA claim when logged into the Connect Portal, access the form by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner of the site and select Submit an RMA. This will take you to a page where you can log into your ASC-ES.com account or just enter your contact details if you do not have an account there. Be sure to have your invoice on hand when completing the Returns and Claims form. It contains information you will need to provide our team. Choose your claim type from the drop-down menu and complete all required fields. Your account info will automatically populate in the Contact Info section. You can also enter up to 3 additional email addresses for individuals who wish to receive updates about the claim you are submitting. You can upload supporting documentation or images via the File Upload field. Once you submit your claim, you will receive an email confirming your submission. You'll receive additional emails when your claim status changes. Check the status of your claim anytime by logging into the Connect Portal and clicking on Return Status. All your RMA claim requests submitted via the Connect Portal will be listed on this page. To see details about a claim, click on the plus sign located on the right of the entry heading to expand it. Once expanded, you can view your claim details, status, and any messages from our team.